Other than exporting your readers list to your Universal App admin, you can now add and edit your reader's custom subscription directly from your UA admin. Let me show you. Go to CRM and click Readers. Using the search button, find the name of your reader. On this page, you will see the information of your readers. To add new subscription, click the Create New Subscription button and you can manually set the date of the subscription. Please note that you can only create or edit custom subscription. Stripe subscription will have to be managed through Stripe. Lastly, you can also download your readers list by clicking on the Download CSV button. Easy, right? If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be more than happy to assist you.